Hello students, I am Deepak from Rajiv Gandhi Government College for Women Bhiwani. Today we are discuss on topic register transfer language. CPU architecture or the internal hardware organization of a digital computer is best defined by the following specifying such like a set of registers and their functions, the sequence of micro operations performed on the data stored in the register, or you can be say the sequence of micro operation performed on the binary information stored in the register, and the control signals that initiate the sequence of micro operations. It is possibly to specify the sequence of micro operation in a computer by explaining every operation in the word, but it is procedure usually involve a lengthy descriptive explanation. So we required to such type of method that is more convenient to adopt a suitable symbology to describe the sequence of transfer between the register and the various arithmetic and the logical micro operations associated with the transfers. So the use of symbols instead of narrative explanation provide an organized and concise manner for listing the micro operation sequence in a register and control function that initiated them. So okay, then computer designing in a deep, whenever we think about this structure, then we thought, what is a digital system? Actually, a digital system is an interconnection of digital hardware modules that accomplish a specific information processing task. Digital system vary in size and complexity from a few ICs to a complex of interconnected and interacting digital computers. So such type of activities, digital system design invariably use a modular approach. System design use a modular approach with the component at the level of registers, at the level of registers, yeah, at the level of multiplexer, decoder, adder. Or you can say that modules the modules are constructed from such digital component as a register, decoders, arithmetical elements, and the control logic. The various modules are interconnected with common data and control path to form a digital computer system. Here I am writing gate level design is a generally limited to designing the components, although some individual gates may be used to connect larger components. So in such a way, in a digital modules are best defined by the register they contain and the operation that are performed on the data stored in them. The operation executed the operation executed in a stored the operations executed on the data stored in a register is called a micro operation. I am saying again, micro operations are micro operations are those operations which performed performed the operation on the data that is stored in the register. Micro operations are basic operations that can be performed by the system on the data stored in the register. Each micro operation describes a simple operation performed on the data in one or more register. So digital module digital module is equal to registers, valid micro operations, suitable hardwares, and associated control function. Typically, what operations are performed on the data in the register? What information is passed between the registers? That's all questions is rise in our mind. Okay, we discuss what is a micro operation. Again, it is the most important thing. What is a micro operation? The operation Micro operations are the operations that executed on the data stored in the register are called the micro operations. What is the micro operation? These are those operations which executed on the data stored in the register are called the micro operations. They are detailed low level instructions. They are detailed low level instructions used in some design to implement complex machine instructions. Then we again talk on the register transfer language. What is register transfer language? The symbolic notation used to describe the micro operation transfer amongst the register is called register transfer language. The symbolic notation used to describe the transfer micro operation transfers amongst register is called register transfer language. The term register transfer means the ability of hardware logical circuit that can perform a and stated micro operation and transfer the result of the operation to the same or the another register. The word language is borrowed from programmers who apply these terms to the programming language. This programming language is procedure for writing symbols to specify a given computational process. Following are the some commonly used register, such like you know about the accumulator. What is the accumulator? Accumulator is a such type of register. It is a common register. It is a most common register which used to store data taken out from the memory. Similarly, we have the GPR, general purpose register. It is a register which is used to store data intermediate result during program executions. Another register is some special purpose register, SPR. These are the these are the register which is used for the special purpose. These type of register These type of register do not be accessed by the user. These register are for computer system is such like MAR, MBR, MAR मतलब memory address register are those register that hold the address for the memory unit. And what is MBR? These are the memory buffer register, stores instructions and data received from the memory and sent from the memory. PC is a program counter register. Program counter register point or count to the next instruction to be executed. IR register. IR is the instructions register that hold the next instructions to be executed. So such like for the basic symbols for the register transfer is such like MAR, R2, PC. R2 is a general register, PC is a program counter, MAR is the memory address register. So we use some letter, parentheses, arrow, commas. Such type of symbol were used for the register transfer language. Such like you take the example for the here. PC, what is a PC? PC is a program counter. PC is a program counter register which have 16 bit, in which we can be write it as a PC 0 to 7 or PCL. What does the mean of PCL? PCL refers to the low order byte, and PC 8 to 15, it refers to the higher order byte. So PC is a program count is a 16-bit register. Such like it is depend upon the computer to computer. It vary to computer ki how much bit register we take for our use. Such like we have the register transfer. How can we transfer the data from one register to the another register? You take this example. Here R1 and R2 are the two register in which we have the R1 and there is a one symbol that is the arrow symbol. In arrow symbol there is a two thing more. One is head, another is tail. One is head, another is tail. So it means that R1 is the source register and R2 is the destination register. So we can say that data of the R1 register transfer into the R2 register. Similarly, we have the another instructions such like PC plus may 1 and data transfer result is transferred to the PC. It means that we increment program counter by 1 and the result will be transferred into the program counter. What is the comma? Comma means whenever we use two or more operations in a one instruction, then we can be separate them through the comma. Register transfer operations. The operation register transfer operations means the operations performed on the data stored in the register are referred to as a register transfer operation. These are different type of register transfer. These are different type of register transfer operations such like simple transfer. Simple transfer R1 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 copied to R2. It means the content of R1 are copied into R2 without affecting the content of R1. It means that after this operation done, R1 have their same content. It is an unconditional type of transfer operation. There may be conditions arise during the register transfer. Then conditional transfer is preferable to occur only in the predetermined control condition. This can be shown by the following such like if p equal to 1, P is true, then R1 content copy to R2. R1 content copy to R2. Here P is a control signal generated in the control section. A control function is a Boolean variable that is equal to 1 or 0. The control function is shown such like it means that whenever P is present, P is 1, then content of R1 is copied to R2. If control condition is terminated with a colon, the control condition is terminated with a colon, it shows that transfer operation can be executed only if P equal to 1. If P equal to 0, then R1 cannot be transfer their content to P2 या R2. You can be see this figure in which we have a control circuit. It is a control circuit. We load n bits R1 to R2. Whenever we can be load or transfer the n bit of R1 into R2, whenever here the letter n indicate the number of bits for the register, that is the n bit register. The n output of register R1 are connected to n input of register R2. The load input is activated by the control variable, the control circuit is provided us, that is a P, which is transferred to the register R2. Thank you students. This lecture for the register transfer language.